Hello and welcome to the world of Craig. Now that is some seriously sun-kissed hair. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some more top foiling tips and all you need to know to create super sheer toned results. First things first, let's have a look at the gorgeous Claire's hair. Now she's got loads of hair. She's a natural level 7 and this is the first time I've highlighted it, but there are some pre-existing highlights, a really gorgeous canvas to work on. Starting off as I do before any chemical service with K18 pre-treatment molecular mist. I spritz the hair lightly with water and then go in with the mist, making sure each section has plenty applied. On my trolley, I have the Serenes by Foil Me Foils, both the wide, my favourite, and the original. And to do my lightning, I'm going in with Pravana Pure Light Ultra. With a minimal application like this, I like to split the head into two, and I start in the nape of the neck underneath. I'll always put a foil in here. I like to do a bold woven foil and use one of those wide foils because it means I can cover a larger surface area quicker, and who doesn't want that when they're foiling in salon? I place just the two foils and then repeat that on the other side. Moving on up to the crown, and I've already placed a couple of foils. You can see clearly here, Claire's mid-lengths and ends have existing highlights. For me, these are all about a bold woven highlight. I've taken it through slightly over the existing colour to make the result really pop. Taking another section that's an inch in depth, I then put in two foils in a brickwork fashion. This helps everything to blend. Then it's back to my bold weave and another two foils before we get much finer on the very top of the head. We want to make sure that these are woven, and as you can see here, they're much finer, which gives us a super blended result. It's worth mentioning at this point that I'm not using any backcombing or teasing in Claire's application, as I want to see a ribbon highlight, that sun-kissed effect when everything is toned and dried. As is the case 99.9% of the time when I'm highlighting the front, I work back from the face. My first three foils are on top of each other, back to back, and they are super fine. And then I go in with the same bold weave as on the back of the head, placing my foils right up to the root without any teasing. I used 10 volume with my lightener, mixed 1 to 2, and as Claire's natural base was so light, I didn't need to use any extra incubation from cling wrap or a shower cap. And you can see here I've got that level 10 lift, which is exactly what we want. Time to take the back out and let the front process for a little longer before rinsing those. And just like that, the front were ready and it was time for them to come out. And time to shampoo with the new K18 Detox Peptide Prep Shampoo. Now this is a sample I was given before it was launched, and my big bottle that I was given, I've actually used because it is so brilliant. It leaves the hair feeling incredible for a clarifying shampoo, and it leaves the hair in just the right state for the K18 leave-in mask, which I always apply before, oh, there she is, before I go in with any toner. So we clarified and used K18 leave-in masker only, but you can see here from the texture of the hair, super shiny and no tangles. Now it's toning time, and I'm using Shea Q Gloss here, but you could use any toner of choice. The key thing here is that this is sitting at a level 9, and that's really important. I'm going to go in first of all to the root area and just tap that out. As you can see here, I've gone all the way through the back of the head, but I haven't touched the face frame. Oh look, it's the wagging finger, just the root at the very back of the head. As soon as you've finished applying the root, you want to shear out your remaining formula mix. So I added some clear and processing solution to mine and went into the mid-lengths and ends. Once 10 minutes were up, I used that same very formula on the face frame, waited for 5 minutes, then rinsed, shampooed and finished with K18 leave-in mask. Okay, it's result time, and a chance for me to say that if you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, oh my goodness, please give it a like, make sure you're subscribed and you hit that notification bell so that you see everything that's coming here on my channel. There's loads more on my Instagram, and don't forget I reply to all your comments. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.